In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable autofill on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to select where it says on the left side, General. So it should be the default landing page here. And then directing our attention to the right panel, you want to scroll down and select Autofill and Passwords. Where it says Autofill Passwords and Passkeys, automatically suggest passwords, passkeys, and verification codes when signing into apps and websites. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.